Okay. In part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, what we discussed, tell me sir. Part 1, what is organic chemistry, what are organic compounds, what is Euler synthesis, what is Benchley's hypothesis theory, how many types of organic compound, that is part 1 covered. In part 2, what is carbon valency and structure of simple organic molecule. Over. What about part 3? Hybridization of organic molecules. What about part 4? Part 4, types of hybridizations present in a molecule. Okay. Now we have to see part 5. This is a continuation for part 4 of structure of organic molecule, which is subtopic of general organic chemistry. In part 5, I would like to discuss only one topic, that is tricks to find hybridization. Hybridization of organic molecules. This is our topic in part 5. Tricks to find hybridization of organic molecule. This is very, very important for objective, that is NEET and JEE. Clear? With your permission, shall I move? Okay, thank you. Now, tricks. You will see tricks. First one, for sp3 hybridization. For sp3 hybridization, what is trick? Simple, sir. Around the carbon atom, if all single bonds are present, then it undergoes sp3 hybridization. This is very important. Around the carbon, if all single bonds are present, this is important. Around the carbon, if all single bonds are present, then it undergoes sp3 hybridization. We know that around the carbon, all single bonds are present. That means how many bonds are present around the carbon? 4, no doubt at all. 4 2s are 8 electrons. Each bond contains 2 electrons. 4 bonds are present, 4 2s 8 electrons. 4 single bonds are 1 double bond, 2 single bonds are 1 triple bond and 1 single bond. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. 4 bonds means what? Each bond contains 2 electrons. That means 8 electrons. Octet configuration stable. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. 4 2s are 8 electrons. This is also stable. That means carbon, and another chance also present. Carbon, around the carbon, 2 double bonds also present. How many bonds are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 8 electrons. Around the carbon, 4 chances are present. All single bonds, or 1 double bond, 2 single bonds, or 1 triple bond, 1 single bond, or 2 double bonds. Clear? In all these aspects, we have to see it electrons. It follows octet configuration. That means organic compounds are stable. That is, I said, discussed earlier. Okay. Now on part 2, carbon valency, we will see that is over. Now, for sp3 hybridization, what is the trick? Around the carbon, tell me sir, around the carbon, all single bonds are present. If all single bonds are present, then it undergoes sp3 hybridization. See sir, around the carbon all single bonds are present, that's why it undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, good. This is very trick. Simple trick to identify the sp3 hybridization. Simple. Around, you can see around the carbon all single bonds are present. That means it undergoes gas hybridization, sp3 hybridization. It's clear? Shall I move? Good. What about for sp2 hybridization? Around the carbon, if one double bond is present, what's a one double bond? One double bond is present, then it undergoes sp2 hybridization. It undergoes sp2 hybridization. That means what, sir? Around the carbon, one double bond is present. How many bonds are required, sir? 4 bonds. 4 to 8. So one double bond is over. Remaining 2 single bonds. That means this carbon undergoes, one double bond is present. That means carbon undergoes which type of hybridization? sp2 hybridization. Very simple. Hence, are sp2 hybridization possible in organic compounds? Around the carbon, one double bond is present. Then it undergoes sp2 hybridization. Good. What about for sp3 hybridization? So sp3 over, sp2 over, and sp hybridization. Tell me, sir, sp hybridization. Around the carbon, tell me, one triple bond. One triple bond is present. Then it undergoes dash hybridization, sir. sp hybridization. It undergoes sp hybridization. Simple. That means what? Carbon atom having triple bond. Around the carbon, one triple bond is present. Here, how many bonds are required? 1, 2, 3 bonds. 3 bonds complete. 1 bond is required. So one triple bond is present. That's why this carbon undergoes dash hybridization, sp hybridization. Clear? Nice. In sp hybridization, 2 tricks are present. One trick is over. Around the carbon, if one triple bond is present, then it undergoes sp hybridization. Next trick. Next one, in sp hybridization only. Around the carbon, if 2 double bonds are present, what's up? 2 double bonds are present, then it undergoes sp hybridization. sp hybridization. See, sir, around the carbon, 2 double bonds are present. 2 double bonds are present, then it undergoes sp hybridization. Clear? That means what? Around the carbon, see, 2 double bonds, 1 double bond, 1 double bond. 2 double bonds are present. Then it undergoes, tell me, sir, it undergoes sp hybridization. Over. What about sp3? Around the carbon, 4 single bonds are present. What about sp2? Around the carbon, 1 double bond is present. What about sp? Two conditions, two tricks are present. One is around the carbon, 1 triple bond is present. Or around the carbon, 2 double bonds are present. Then it undergoes sp hybridization. I think you can understand. Okay. Now see some small table. sp3, sp2, sp hybridization. Clear? In sp3, around the carbon, what are 4 single bonds are present. Clear? Now only I said sp2, tell me sir, around the carbon 1 double bond should be present. Remaining single bond. Why sir 4 bonds? 4 bonds are required for carbon atom. That's why 2 single bonds are exist. Tell me sir, sp. Around the carbon, triple bond should be present. 1 bond is required. Or around the carbon, 2 double bonds are present. 2 double bonds are present. Clear? Nice. Next. sp3 hybridization organic compounds shape, what sir? Shape. Tell me sir. If compound having sp3 hybridization, that compound shape is tetrahedral. Please remember it. All these comes in chemical bond topic. At that topic we will see, but you have to remember it. This statement. sp3 hybridization shape, what's up? Tetrahedral. What about sp2? Yes, trigonal planar. Trigonal planar. What about sp, sir? Tell me. The compound having sp hybridization, that compound shape is dash. Good. Linear. Linear shape. sp3 shape tetrahedral, sp2 shape trigonal planar, sp shape linear shape. Next one, bond angle. All these we can see in chemical bonds, sir. The angle between two adjacent bond in a molecule, suppose this is angle. How much? 109 degrees 28 minutes. 109 degrees 28 minutes. What about sp2 angle? 120 degrees. What about sp? 180 degrees angle. Clear? Okay. This information required for organic compounds. sp3, sp2, sp2. What is the trick for sp3? Around the carbon all single bonds are present. What about trick for sp2? Around the carbon 1 double bond should be present. What about sp? 1 double bond around the carbon, 1 triple bond present, or 2 double bonds are present. sp3 shape tetrahedral, sp2 shape trigonal planar, sp shape linear. What about bond angle? Angle between two adjacent bond is called bond angle. How much in sp3? 109 28 minutes, sp2 120 degrees, sp 180 degrees. Clear, sir? Nice. Now we will see some examples. We have to find out the hybridization. Okay? Are you understand? Okay. Shall I move? Okay. Generally sp3 carbon having single bond compound source sp3 hybridization, sir. Generally sp2 means what, sir? Carbon double bond carbon, C double bond O. That means what? Here carbon triple bond. See sir, around the carbon, all single bonds are present. That's why it undergoes sp3. Here sir, around the carbon double bond is present. That's why it shows sp2. Around the carbon undergoes sp. Why sir? Triple bond is present. Also around the carbon single bond triple bond is present. That's why it shows sp hybridization. Generally, single carbon single bonds we called as alkane. Here alkene, double bond. Triple bond what sir? Alkyne. Alkane shows gas hybridization sp3. Alkene shows sp2. Alkyne shows sp. We know that alkane, alkene, alkyne. We can see in hydrocarbon topics. Alkanes means what? Carbon having single bond. That compounds we call as alkane. Double bond. Alkanes, triple bond, alkynes. Clear sir? All of you? Shall I move? Yes. Now we have to give some examples. Molecule shows hybridizations. Examples. First one, CH4. Second one, CH3. Third one, C double bond CH2. Fourth one, C triple bond C, H. Fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, these are the example. Now we can see each carbon undergoes which type of hybridization. Each carbon undergoes which type of hybridization. Shall I move? CH4. CH4 means what? Carbon along with 4 hydrogens. Tell me sir, hybridization. Hydrogen forms only single bond only. That means it has only one electron. Tell me sir, this carbon undergoes dash hybridization. Anybody? Around the carbon all single bonds are present. That's why it is undergoes sp3 hybridization. Tell me sir, tell me. What about this carbon undergo which type of, what about this one? Tell me sir. Simple. Around the carbon, see, around the carbon, all single bonds are present. Please first check it, this carbon. Around the carbon, single bond present, 3 hydrogens having 3 single bonds. That means what sir? C, single bond C, H. This is structure. Okay. Now see. Around the carbon, tell me sir, all single bonds are present or not? That's why this carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Please see, around the carbon, all single bonds are present. That's why this carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization. Clear? Nice sir. What about this one? Tell me sir. Very nice, very nice. Please see. This carbon undergoes dash hybridization. Carbon has one double bond. And 2 hydrogen atoms means what? 2 single bonds. Hydrogen atom means we have to think it's single bond only. That means this carbon, around this carbon double bond is present, one double bond is present, that's why it undergoes sp2 hybridization. What about this carbon? Tell me, sir. See, this carbon also undergoes sp2 hybridization. Why, sir? This carbon having only one double bond. With hydrogen, single bonds only formed. That's why carbon also sp2 hybridization. Clear? Tell me, sir. It is very easy for you. This carbon undergoes dash hybridization. Around this carbon, triple bond is present. That's why it undergoes sp. Around this carbon also triple bond is present. Triple bond also present. That's why it undergoes sp hybridization. Tell me, sir. Fifth example, 4 carbon atoms are present. Each carbon undergoes which type of hybridization? We will see. See, sir. This carbon. Around this carbon, double bond is present or not? Good. Hydrogen is having single bond. Okay. Double bond. Around this carbon, one double bond is present. That means it undergoes sp2 hybridization. Tell me, sir, what about this carbon? Suppose second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please see, second carbon, which type of hybridization takes place? Good. sp2. Why, sir? Please think it. This carbon, we have to think it. One double bond, one single bond, and along with the hydrogen. Hydrogen means what? A single bond. That means this carbon atom, around this carbon atom, only one double bond is present. That's why it undergoes sp2. What about this one? Nice, same sp2. Why, sir? This carbon atom also having double bond, one double bond. That's why it undergoes sp2. What about this one also? sp2. That means fifth molecule, all carbon atoms undergoes sp2 hybridization. What about the sixth one? It is familiar molecule, benzene. Benzene formula C6H6. In benzene, each carbon atom undergoes dash hybridization. Please think it. Carbon, 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 carbon. 6 carbons. Along with carbon, hydrogens also present. Hydrogens also present. This is benzene structure. Clear? Now see, sir. Each carbon having double bond. Each carbon having a double bond. This carbon double bond, this carbon also double bond, this carbon also double bond. Each carbon having double bond. That's why it undergoes dash hybridization. sp2. Very important bit. In benzene, each carbon atom undergoes dash type of hybridization. That is sp2. Tell me, sir, 7th example. Seventh example, please see, sir. First carbon, good, sp3. Why, sir? Around the carbon only single bonds are present. Good, sp2. Why, sir? Around this carbon double bond is present. Nice. What about this carbon? Tell me, sir. Good.